Today I'm going to show you how to write a book in ChatGPT. So you just click here something like action hero vs like the bad guy. So write me a book about a action hero against bad guys in a scary scene, for example. And you just click on enter and you just let it write down the title, the chapters, and let it write down the book. So the title will be the Fearless Hero, Battling Evil in the Shadows. So it just types out chapter 1, the beginning of the nightmare, and then it will type out your book. So it will only do this to a limited sentences. So I will show you in a couple of seconds or minutes how to expand your book and your story. So let's wait on that. So as you can see, you can write like any topic you like. You can just enter it right in the bar, in the search bar here, and you just say something like write me an article, write me a blog, write me a post, something like that. And then you can see, like, I think it's going for around 5 chapters. So yeah, it has 4 chapters, so it's not really big, but then you can type expand the chapters with another interesting plot twist. So, and this is how you can expand the book. So now it's just thinking about what to write. It takes a couple of time, but a couple of minutes maybe, but after that it will type. So here it goes again. So yeah, now it comes with a plot twist, just not really remaining, but I think you got the feeling if you just say expand on chapter 2, the lair of the evil. Here you will see what it does. Chapter 2, check was made. Here you can see it will expand on this story right now. So yeah, that is how to write a book in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching.